That was crazy. I wasn't recording when that happened. No. That was a big miss. That was the best one yet. There's one that's popping up behind now too, though.
I didn't look past the barn. Did we clear past the barn?
No, there's a new cell developing straight south. Oh,
That was nuts. Did you?
that was
Gotta
some,
send me that one.
that was some cloud to cloud beauty.
No, you're looking at.
Nothing to see.
You're worrying me.
Watching the fireworks.
Yeah, there was some pretty big ones.
Yeah.
I think tomorrow is the real show too. That's the thing. This is the warm-up. Or I do my age-old tactic where I, record for 45 seconds and then delete if it's nothing. But it doesn't seem like we get 45 seconds right now. Eh? It's pretty steady. Wowzers. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, holy fuck, eh?
That seems like I was 4.
That was wild.
I love it. It totally fucking seals the deal. This tour had it all. For the light show.
Really, eh? Last night for you?
Yep. Checking out. Going home. At least for the weekend. Have you ever gone?
Wow. We can't even say things. Wow. What an intense show. And you can start seeing it back here now, right?
Yeah.
That next line's starting to flash. So that's funny, the one I thought that was coming next totally is going the other way now. Yep. This next line's here. Yeah, it is. We're gonna start seeing this more and more now.
It's gonna squeeze out a big one.
You know, just non-stop, eh? You turn the AM radio right now, it's just gonna be like, you know, there's so many we're not seeing.
Did you get paid overtime for this, doing fire watch?
Flash. That was a bolt behind us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're like in the pocket of no lightning bolts.
Ground zero.
Yeah, ground zero, man.
Did you get paid overtime for this? We're doing fire watch.
Really? They should be paying me all the time to be a weatherman. Barns are creaking. Holy camole. Yeah, that's next. You know, the most lightning heavy place in the world is places like Miami or whatever.
Yeah.
Some maybe they see more, I don't know. Oh, this is fucked up.
For saving memory.
Yeah. Things are doing weird things.
Interesting.
Things coming from the wrong direction. It's usually a sign of power and anger. Oh man. Yeah, like how could I go lay down with this happening? It's not possible. Where is it gonna be? Ooh. Wow, there's 2 cool bolts right back there real far, then one behind us over here. One there. Should just start throwing down fucking dollars.
Yeah, totally.
You know?
Throw them so fast though you wouldn't fucking feel
Yeah,
to pick them up.
no time to gamble.
Yeah, no time to pick them up. Right.
Spooky, spooky looking fucking things above us. That is nuts. Yeah, that is nuts. It is not calming down at all. Yeah, look at this right above us, man. Fucking wild. That is like, it's fucking fading or something. It's trippy shit. It's almost like it's going green kind of phase, you know what I mean?